Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about this Bauer cordless 20 volt 3x18 belt sander. And it is brushless. So we'll talk a little bit about it. We'll do a little test on it. I was looking for a cordless belt sander, and this is the only one that, well, at least at Harbor Freight. The Hercules does not have a cordless belt sander yet. If they did, I would have bought it. We'd be talking about the Hercules one. Well, anyways, this 3x18, got the trigger on it. And you got for changing a belt. Got the bag, dust collector bag, and then also you can, hook a shop vac up to it if you want to collect dust, but we won't. We're not going to demonstrate the vacuuming. That's for a different review. So belt sanders, hand belt sanders typically come in 3x18, 3x21, and 4x24. I do have this tool shop corded 3x18 I've used quite a bit, and that's Menard's bottom line brand of tools. And we, of course, we have this beast, 4x24 Bauer. This thing is a monster. We'll talk about that in a different view. Okay, back to the cordless Bauer. And we do have a 5 amp hour battery for it. Put it in there. I remember back when I was in high school, we used to do belt sander races across the table at wood shop, This had a locking, you could lock the trigger on it and then race those across the table. But anyways, long past that stage. So this has 1 speed on it, of course. Sounds like your typical belt sander. And then I got a belt in here. And that's a 80 grit Bauer belt. And then your tracking on it. That will track, get that belt lined up, because sometimes they drift. They do drift as they wear along. It's pretty, it ain't too bad, and it's not too heavy, not like that Bauer, that big Bauer I just showed you. Supposed to do a simple test with it. I just got a board, not board with some paint on it. You're not going to actually strip it all away. This is a simple test just to show you. A lot of my views are short and to the point. We want to clamp that board down. Couple clamps. So we're just going to lightly sand that paint off. Make sure I got my camera right here. I'm actually pressing down pretty hard on it. It's still going pretty good. So I got that down pretty good. Now, where would you use a cordless belt sander? Well, I had a situation where we're doing a deck railing. Of course, it was on the outside railing of the deck, so it was, you know, 10 feet off the ground. And you had to get a ladder on, and we had some guy put elephant prints in. You know what elephant prints are, right? When you pound a nail, and you get your elephant prints in there, right? So we actually had, you know, take the belt sander on that and pound those, get those elephant prints off, right? If that wasn't me, that's a friend who did it. So of course we had corded at the time. If we had cordless, it would have been nice to get on top of that ladder with that cordless and get those. So that's it on this Bauer. Like I said, it's simple review. Let me know what you think. Are you in the market for a belt sander? What do you think of that Bauer line? Like I said, no Hercules yet, but if a Hercules does come out with a belt sander, I'd buy that one as well. If you like what you see on this channel, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.